Hey there, it's me. The ground, yep, right here, underneath your feet. I'm the top layer of the earth and possess diverse capabilities depending on my composition. From soaking wet to bone dry, I form the basis for different habitats. And that's not all. If clay or humus are part of my mixture, I turn into a fantastic water filter. When water seeps through my fine layers, dirt particles and toxins simply filter out. If I consist of many coarse grains of sand, however, the water seeps away considerably faster and things tend to slip through me.
It was a very light character, that.
Fun. She was.
Yeah, how do you say that?